Hello, my fellow YouTube friends and art journalers. It is day 6 of AJ Snark Attack. Yep, that's 2020 art journaling every day for the month of October. And this is brought to you from Art Joy is Sharing, which is my sister channel that I share with Chelsea, doing art journaling each day in the month of October. And we decided to shake it up this year. And because 2020 has been such a lousy year, we decided to do something that would be fun. So we're getting snarky. We're doing snarky pages in our art journal. And it's all about having fun and just doing the daily work. So today I am going to knock out a real quick page. I'm going to be on the road doing some medical stuff. And yeah, don't have time for much for an art journal, but even when you have 15 minutes or so, you can knock something out. So, excuse me, I'm using some black gesso and blocking out that area. And then this is a Posca pen. It's a brush tip Posca pen. I'm just going to use that to paint my border. Got these last year down at Art of the Carolinas, and they are really pretty cool. Not sure how much paint they actually hold in them, but it's got a pump on the back end, so you can pump the paint and bring it forward. We'll see just how long this pen lasts, but I really like the color of this one. It's kind of a turquoisey blue, and that's kind of what I wanted for my border on here. So uh, thought I'd grab that and do something different with painting. I could have just used some paint. If you've got some paint, you certainly can use a brush and some paint, but we got these fun tools. We might as well use them. So once I get that painted out, I'm going to go back to my Posca marker and emphasize that black line. Kind of obliterated it a little bit in a few places because I was in a hurry. Yeah, doing art pages in a hurry. So I'm not even going to reach for my template to draw that with. I'm just going to, eyeball it, pen it around the edge. And then I will get my image and cut it down to size to go on the page. Now, this is just something that I found in a, I don't know, magazine or something that was laying around here. And I thought, oh, that's sign. There's a sign. I can make a sign. You can hold a sign for me. So I'm going to trim it out. I'm going to use some pencils for shading. Couldn't find my Stabilo All for some reason, but I did find my Generals, and that's what I ended up using. Yeah, my desk is a mess. Got to clean that up. So I'm going to glue that down with some Yoo-Hoo glue, get it on my page, get my Generals out, do some shading, add my quote, and that'll be it for today. So if you're new to my channel, new to Art Joy is Sharing, check out the description box below. There's information for you down there. Join us on Art Joy is Sharing. You can use the hashtag on any social media, however you're doing your social media, and that way other people can find, if you're on Instagram or something like that, and you don't do YouTube videos or you don't do Facebook, we can still find you. And yeah, the rules for this are, there are no rules. We provided some prompts for you in case you don't have snarky quotes yourself. There is a list of snarky quotes in Art Joy is Sharing. There are snarky quotes in a lot of different purchased products. I'm going to use a couple of them here today. These happen to be from Tim Holtz. This one is called Snarky Impertinent Big Talk from Tim Holtz Ideology. And then I also grabbed some smaller ones, which were, let me see what these are. These are Small Talk, Snarky Impertinent. So those are both from Tim Holtz. And I'm combining, did I combine? No. I used the big ones on this one. I guess I used the other ones on yesterday's page. All right, I'm getting a little bit confused. So I'm going to label my pages. I didn't start that right off at the beginning of the month, but I am going to add, that to these pages so that I know when and where these were created. And I hope you come and join us. Thanks for stopping by today, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.